Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting Coach unboxing and a little bit of animal print as well as beauty reveals. Now before we get started, I'm Jamie and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get right into the haul. Now, if you guys recall my Coach holiday drop video, which I will have linked for you guys below, there was no doubt that I was going to have to pick something up from the holiday drop. The bags in that, so beautiful. I love the tabbies. I love the Lana. So there is one item I picked up. Thank you guys again for all your comments and helping me pick a bag. Let's get right into that Coach handbag. I still can't believe how much I've grown my Coach collection from somebody that did not touch Coach for a very long time. And here I have, this will be my third Coach handbag in my collection. I have my Coach Empire in the 40 size for work, and then my Lana there. If you had to guess, what do you guys think? Here's the bag, and here it is. This is my Coach Tabby in the beaded snake print. Oh my, look at that. It's so pretty. And this is brand spanking new from the boutique. I actually didn't go to the store for this. I just ordered it online. So I was really worried that I would not be able to find it in store. Just took that chance that it would look as beautiful, and it's stunning. Certainly a statement handbag. But look at that logo. Even though with all this beautiful beading, this logo to me, it's not as stand out as perhaps the bronze. I still like the tiger print. I think that's beautiful as well. But I think if I had to pick between the two, this was the one. I think a lot of you guys also liked this bag as well. One of the things I'm most excited about this handbag is the fact there's so many different strap options with this bag. I feel like a lot of my designer bags don't have as much functionality with the leather strap. This is amazing. I'm gonna have to take all this apart and then show you guys. But you've got this strap in here, you've got a chain strap and another. This is pretty amazing. Whew. And I do love how you've got a leather and it's detachable. That's amazing. Way to go, Coach. So you guys know I've been a little bit on an animal print kick lately. I am most excited to see this bag paired up with my Kate snake print boots. In fact, let me go grab it so you guys can see as well. Okay. I know we've got some beading in the snake print. This is leather, but can you ever have too much snake print? And I would actually pair them together. Granted, probably the rest of my outfit will be more neutral in theme and let my boots and statement bag do all the talking, but I actually really like this and I'm excited by this. So why did I decide this one versus say the other ones? I think I told you guys in my other video, I was really looking for a snake print bag to add to my collection, especially once I got the Kate boots. I was like, really would love to add something in snake print, and naturally I was thinking about adding something from Kate. I love Kate's designs. They do beautiful snake print. I've been seeing a couple of the snake print bags over the last couple seasons. I haven't pulled the trigger yet, just nothing that really was like, I need this bag. But when I saw this, and it's just so special with the holiday drop, knowing this is a seasonal bag and it's my first Tabby and it's a special one, I just thought this would be the perfect one to add my collection. So I'm excited to use it. You know, it gives me a little bit of the Fendi baguette vibes. So you guys know I'm gonna have to show you guys my other special baguette from Fendi. My other stunning statement bag. You know what, this is probably, let me know if you guys would be interested in like a comparison. You know, we have designer, there are different things, but I think in some ways there are some similarities. But look at this, you've got the beading on my mirror baguette and then you have the beading on this Coach Tabby. I think both are beautiful statement pieces. Guys, what do you guys think? I'm actually really love having both of these in my collection right now. So special. So I will put a mod shot so you guys can see a little bit up close how I style this one, so you guys can also see what do you guys think of this bag. Let me know, are you excited about this snake print one? I just feel like this is such a special bag. I did think about like, maybe we'll just let the holiday drop go, but I just could not resist. I knew that if I didn't pick it up, I'd probably regret it, and then I would have such a trouble trying to find this later. So I was like, just go pick it up. It's just another special bag in my collection. I certainly love having unique handbags in my collection. So this one's totally my fave. Now I did want to share another thing that I recently picked up, a little bit of a beauty items. This is not a makeup channel, as you guys know, but I love beautiful, fancy makeup, especially with packaging. And this is Westman Atelier. First time I'm trying these lipsticks, and I was excited because this is a travel size. The lipsticks in the matte finish, and they had some of these beautiful colors. So you can see Elodie, I believe it is like a seasonal color. The Elodie is more of a mauve pink, and then they have Maubiche, I believe that's like a Spanish red, and then you have, I think this is their bestseller, it's a beautiful like nude pink, the J Rev. That's what I'm wearing right now. Let me tell you, after trying NARS matte, Hermes, Chanel, this is one of the most moisturizing matte lipsticks I've tried in some time. I'm a big fan. It's almost dangerous, the fact that I really like it, and because these are pricey, this brand, but I really like it. And let me just show you a little bit of the packaging because it's beautiful. See this? And this is the case. It's the mini travel size. These are petite lipsticks. This is not full size, but I wanted to see what it was like just so I could try the lipstick. And look at that color. Again, this is what I'm wearing right now. It's a blush nude, and I think it's so pretty. So I'm excited. I will be trying the other ones soon, but I have a feeling that all these colors are perfection. I wanted to share one more last item, and it's an animal print because we all know we love animal print around here. But this one is from one of my favorite brands, L'Agence, and they just opened a boutique in Chicago. I'm going to share some B-roll so you can see how I styled it. I think that's going to look fabulous. I'm excited to have this one. Okay guys, let me know, what are your thoughts on my latest Coach handbag to my collection? Would you love to see a review with my Fendi baguette and Coach bag? Also love to hear your thoughts when it comes to animal print. Are you a fan? Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.